to, dati pa naman, nung wala pang COVID, may social distancing na sa'yo.
Oh, bakit? Kasi pag gumano, natutusok ka.
Hindi,
ganun ba?
hindi. Sa'yo galing yan.
Hindi,
Of course.
parang...
No, inaanak kita.
Okay.
Kinuha niya ako, Ninong, alam niyo bakit? Malaki daw ako magbigay.
Siyempre, siya ang isa sa pinakamalaking nagbigay sa amin. So, tama ang desisyon ko. Yes.
Okay. Ay, de la Sala, let's go! Woo! Oh. Ano mga pinagagagawa mo ngayon?
Ngayon ang pinagagawa ko ay nandito ako ngayon. Maraming salamat sa iyo, Ninong. You are the best. At siyempre pa, malapit na po ang The Clash Season 4. Malapit na yan.
Wow, you're one of the judges.
Of course I am. What about you?
Hi, I want to introduce my good friend.
Yeah,
Rian.
so sexy, beautiful. Ito palalabanan
No, wait. Can you talk in her language?
Ah, of course.
Why? Why is it?
How come?
How come all the faithful?
Yeah. Okay. So how are you, Rian?
Good, thank you.
Yeah.
Excuse me, have you worked together before?
Oh!
And all out
Yeah,
Sundays.
it's all
yun.
out Sunday.
Ah,
Pag
on
nag-guesting
Sunday.
ako doon.
Yeah, when we have
Yes.
guesting, you
But
know.
not in teleserye,
No.
whatever?
No, not yet.
Not yet. Not yet.
So, how are you? How are you now?
Oh, I'm really good, and yeah, I know that I'm good. I'm beautiful like Rian, and I'm not so rich now. That's why I'm here, huh? So you will give me money today.
No problem. You wanna co-host?
Yes, of course. I want to co-host. I want your helicopter. I want everything, and I want your Ayala house. Everything in you I like.
Really?
Yeah, and your watch.
It's a gift.
Oh.
It's a gift from Samber Sosa.
Oh,
From front row.
it's so expensive.
Yeah, you talk to someone. Maybe.
Yeah.
Samber
Hi,
Sosa.
Sam.
Oh.
Okay. Baka sabihin niyo, ba't kita bibigyan? Sino ka ba?
But why not? But front row, R.S. Francisco.
Oh, show my king, me.
Oh, yun pala, that's right. Ano?
Yeah.
Ano?
Me, show my king. Not front row, I'm show my king. And talk. Tok. Ano ka ba? Alam mo na yun. Jonathan
Oy.
Tok, Kalma Kadangdang.
Okay.
Oh, you know, ha? Alam mo na. Oh.
Mag-text ko kayo, mag-comment kayo. If ever na gusto nyo si Ai dito, gagawin ko siyang co-host. At ano yung totoo lang, nag-text sa akin to.
Bigla tuloy ako natakot. Baka naman sabihin niya, wag na yan.
Hindi, alam niyo, nag-text sa akin. Pumunta ng Amerika. Tinawagan ko, ba't ka mag-Amerika? Ang hanap daw siya, mag-a-apply daw siya ron. Totoo ba yan? Sa'yo mo yung totoo?
Oo nga.
Ba't ka mag-Amerika? Nandito ang buhay mo.
Well, it's just only for 2 months. I'm going back.
Ah, bakasyon lang.
No, vaccination. No,
Why there? Not here.
because
Oh, can I come with you?
of course you can.
Oh, let's go.
Oh, vaccination is
Oh,
all
really?
around
Yes,
there.
vaccination.
Oh, come on.
Me also, I want to come.
Oh, see, when Rian will go, you will go.
I will come there.
But
You want
how
to come with
come?
us?
Yeah, I want to come there.
And you? How will you? Why you
Oh,
will
come,
come?
oh, you
Why
think-
you will come? There with her.
Ha?
Hirap na
With
hirap.
us, di ba?
Yeah, you come
With
also
us.
with me.
Yes.
No, your Lola. I cannot come with Lola. No way.
Don't do that to me.
Okay. I'm sorry, what?
Okay.
Young
What?
lady?
What?
What will I call you? Young lady.
Of course, young and pretty lady.
Oh.
Oh.
Okay, young lady only.
No.
Why?
Put pretty.
Okay.
Hello mga kapuso! Ako po si Ipon. Minabati ko unang-una dyan mga kaipo natin, mga squammy ko dyan. Nagustuhan nyo ba ang video na to? Marami pa kaming inanda para sa inyo. Mag-subscribe lang sa Wowin YouTube channel. Tsaka, don't forget to hit the, the bell button para lagi kang updated. Yun lang!